Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Spotlight series. And today we have with us Mr. Sachin Sahani from Keros Superfood. He's the founder of this venture. Welcome to the show, sir. And will you please introduce yourself?
So I'm Sachin Sahani, founder of Keros Superfoods. We are a brand of healthy for all and safe for diabetics, snacks, drinks, supplements based out of Lucknow.
Okay.
We sell across India through 40 plus e-commerce platforms, including the likes of Amazon, Flipkart, to even niche ones like 1mg and some very niche ones like Beto, which is a platform for diabetics, supplements and foods, etc. And then we are also available through e-vending machines, which you see in airports, because we have snacks as well, which are healthy, tasty, and also diabetic friendly across India. And then we sell B2B to a lot of organizations, Ayurveda centers, to spas and diabetologists, dietitians, etc., etc.
So, my first question to you, Mr. Sahani, when this idea came from?
Well, we, myself and my co-founder Simran, who's also my wife, we had been running a chain of wellness centers, 7 of them, where we were helping them lose weight and also fight problems like diabetes, high BP, etc. Then we realized sometime around 2017-18 that there's a big gap in the superfoods for diabetics and Weight Watchers market. The products are not readily available for this populace. And we thought we'll create some products for them. So we created some 14, 15 products, tested them within our various wellness centers that we have. And then so Keros as a brand was born.
Yes.
We started with snacks and tested them. We got good response. We expanded, and today we have some 25 products.
Okay. Great. So, how your leadership shaped?
Well, before I started Keros, we have another company which has roughly 150 people working for us. So that was kind of a nursery for us to actually test our business skills, leadership skills, and then Keros happened a little later. In between Health Zone, which is our first company, and Keros, I have a failed startup as well. That company failed. So there were learnings. So as a business leader, as SME leader, you can say we are still a early stage startup. I learned that if you give your employees what they're looking for, as far as financial remuneration is concerned, and a promise of a good future in your company, people stay with you and want to work with you with the full dedication. That's what my leadership lesson was actually.
Okay. How do you see your brand will be look like in next 10 years in the market?
As I told you already, that we are helping the population of people who are diabetics and Weight Watchers with our food products and supplements and drinks. We want to give them a joy of eating healthy food without the fear or guilt of gaining weight or a spike in the sugar levels in the blood. So this is what we're working on, and this is a huge population. So some studies say there are roughly 14-15 crore diabetics in India, which is like as big as a population as Russia. And this population is now increasingly looking for product like ours. It's a tough road ahead because education, when you are a first mover in the market, there are advantages, but there are disadvantages as well, especially if your product is very new to the market. So education, a lot of education has to go into it. So that is our biggest struggle, actually, challenging. So, but God has been kind and market has been rewarding us. So in next, let's say 10 years, we would want to see our company as a Indian multinational, okay, in diabetic friendly foods category, okay, okay, and successful in most bigger markets, probably number one and number two player. Okay, this is where we want to see ourselves.
Sure. How you use AI in your in your company? Would you like to put light on it?
Look, AI is a very recent phenomena, and food and formulations of food, we've still not used AI. Let me tell you that. Okay, but innovation. Look, we were the first one in India to actually launch a diabetic-friendly snack. So it couldn't have happened without thinking innovatively. Okay, so we iterated and worked a lot on creating formulations. हर फॉर्मुलेशन को हमें बनाने में रफली 6 to 9 months एक प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में लग जाता है. रीजन इज कि वी डोंट ओनली हैव टू गिव अ प्रोडक्ट, अ फूड प्रोडक्ट और अ स्नैक which is just diabetic friendly or low GI. We also have to make it tasty, yes, so that people keep buying it again and again. नहीं तो एक बार कोई खाएगा और दोबारा नहीं लेगा. It has to be tasty as well. And then number 3, it has to have stability on in shelf. शेल्फ लाइफ भी चाहिए ना कि हम उसको पैकेज करके मार्केट तक भेज सकें और उसको अगर 1 महीने 2 महीने बाद भी वो कंज्यूम करे तो उसको फ्रेश और हेल्दी मिले. So without innovation, this couldn't have happened. So we have applied innovation in our own way in terms of formulation, in terms of packaging, in terms of processing in such a way that there's a longer shelf life. And taste as well. The taste is retained and the nutritive value is retained. Okay. As far as using AI is concerned for our business, we've been using chatbots and consumer engagement. When consumers have questions, they come out to our website or any of our platforms where we can have our own bots. They engage with our bots, and bots, there is a journey for them on our bots, beyond which we have our telecallers who, call them back and help them out. Okay. That is one way of using bots. Secondly, creating content through AI. See, when you have to create content at scale, sometimes you don't have time. You simply upload your script and your, 3-minute talk is ready.
Thank you, Sachin ji, for your time, and it's been a pleasure talking to you, sir.
So thank you for having me. Stay tuned with Club TV for more business insights.